And a big thank you to our friends at Zuru for sending me this toy to review for you. This is the Zuru Shark Attack Challenge. With micro boats, defeat the shark and speed to victory. This is a great action photo. We have a special motorised speedboat that comes with the set, and there are 4 other micro motorised boats that you can collect. This is what the back of the box looks like when the playset's put together. It includes a real boat crane, 1.8 metres of track, and of course the huge Shark Attack Challenge. So I think we're ready to unbox this exciting toy now. So in here then guys, it looks like we have the centerpiece of the track, some rails, the finishing line, some pictures of the crowd, and look, there's the shark. And let's pour out the rest of it. And here's some instructions by the looks of it, and the rest of the track. Also, we've got a little pourer in there, dry speedboat. Looks like we have all that we need to get things started. But hey, Zuru have sent me another micro boat so that we can race them. Let's unbox this one and see what this one's like. Very cool. Very cool. Well, I think we need to take this toy outside so that we can see these boats in action.